Hi, myself Praveen Akula, and I'm the project in charge of Agritex 2014. And this is the second edition of Agritex, and last year we have started. And every year we are planning to add some value to the show, and we have planned this time in joining hands with Kenes Exhibitions, which is Israel-based, exhibitor company, and along with the help of ICRISAT and the government of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And likewise, all the government supporting organizations like NARAM, DSR, DRR, all the ICAR units, they are supporting us in organizing the expo and get good success out of it. And basically, this is for the getting the new inputs to the farmers, the farming community, all the dealers, distributors, and all who are all linked to the farming community. And this time we have planned in such a way that we need to pick up some topics like food processing and post harvesting, food security. Likewise, different topics have chosen, and we are even conducting the seminars wherein the delegates from ICRISAT, all the speakers from ICRISAT, as well as the Israel embassy and some people from Israel are also joining this. And this is basically to give some new technology ideas and the knowledge transfer which is happening here. And this basically coming to the exhibition and the direction program. This is free entry for the farmers. Basically, this is something which we have planned only for the farmers. And in the direction program, the scientists from our government and the agricultural university and all these people will be interacting with the farmers in our local language. That is something which is useful for the farmers. The new inputs, low cost and high outcome, that is what we are planning for this. And they're so supportive that they'll be speaking to them and giving the new inputs to them. So basically, the exhibition, direction program, ICRISAT Scientific Technology Conference and the Indo-Israel Knowledge Conclave, this is the main focus for Agritex 2014. The response is good. Basically, this is something again which is new to the people, and agriculture is such a sector. People want the new inputs to be given to the farmers or the community every year and year, and we expect people to come and get some benefit out of this. That is what is our expectation, and we welcome all the people linked to the farming community. And the entry is free, as I told you, and this is for them. And we wish everybody come and see this.
Ace 15 Love.